Hey, doing something a little bit different today. Well, different for my channel. Well, different for me too, because I don't usually do this. Years ago, like quite a few years ago now, like maybe 4 or 5, I grabbed this little scrap of basswood and sketched out a little idol type figure on it with every intention of carving it. To like learn whittling. I've only ever whittled one thing in my life. It didn't come out wonderful, but you know, it was enough progress that made me excited about it, and then it kind of fell out of my head. Today I'm going to take this, I'm going to rough it out on the bandsaw really quick, and I'm going to pack up the bike with lunch and some of my tools and go find a nice shady spot under a tree and see if I can't make some progress on it. A little bit different than usual, but hey, why not? It's supposed to be a really nice day today, and I kind of want to be outside. So I don't actually have a real thin bandsaw blade for doing this, and I loathe using the scroll saw. So I'm going to do this a little bit different than usual. Could do this with the handsaw, but I'm just going to do this because it's mostly going to be straight cuts. And this is just to get a quick rough out of the overall shape. Alright, all roughed out. It's enough for me to be able to get out with the knife and start actually refining this. I want to keep in mind, manage expectations here. I'm not a whittler. I've only whittled one thing, and it was kind of sketchy. It was a bear that looked like it had to pee. So I don't know how this is going to go. I may have been a little overzealous with the roughing out. I don't know. We'll find out. coming along. Starting to look like something. Well, I've only got about 15 minutes until I'm gonna have to go get kiddos, but I'm pretty happy with the progress. It's coming together. It's not perfect by a long shot, but it's coming along. Considering I don't know what I'm doing, I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. Well, that's all the time I got for today. I made good progress though. It's not perfect, but for somebody who doesn't know what they're doing, a couple hours in a park, I am not mad at it. Might give it a little bit of a sanding when I get home later tonight. See if that improves the sort of fuzzy areas a little bit. Okay, I gotta go. And we're off. Gave that just a real quick once-overing with some, it's like 220, just a little strip of it, just to knock off a couple of the fuzzies. And there's certainly more work to be done, and it's not perfect, but I gave myself a couple hours to work on it, and that time is up, so I'm going to throw a little bit of a stain on it. This is actually leather dye, but I like it. So I'm going to use this and put a little finish on it, saw it off, and call it done for the day. Hoping a lot of this will rub off. This wood is so porous though. This is a lot darker than I was hoping it was going to be. It seems to be lightening up.
All right, I'm gonna call that done for today. Not bad for a couple hours and my second time whittling. More or less looks the way I was hoping it was gonna look. Thanks for watching.